So today I'm going to draw in a style that you can do in your board. It's called Boho drawing. So sketches first for where my things are going to go, my Boho blobs. Since it's close to autumn, since it's autumn right now in Texas where I live, we are doing an autumn style Boho drawing. Now when you use your marker, I don't want you to scribble like this. I want you to use your side of your marker. Oh no, the scribble's gonna seep through. Cover that up. After you're done, it's your choice to do 1, 2, 3, or 4 squiggles. I'm going to do 4 and 3. Next one, I just want to be a small blob. If you're doing something, if you want to do something else with the blobs and not like this, you could start it from like the corner. Like this. It's a lot more fun. And it's a lot more fast too. If you need to give this to a friend like a gift, then you could do something fast like your way of coloring it in. Okay, now I'm going to do the third and final squiggle. After I'm done, you could also just color the side normally. Notice how I'm using warm autumn colors, like the leaves on a tree. After that, you can pull out a thin Sharpie. And you're just going to do any random doodle design you really desire. If you use the side of the marker, it gives more coverage than using the normal marker. Hair fungus. I just thought of the birthday thing. ASMR. Then I'm gonna draw the leaf. I'm not that good at drawing autumn leaves, but I will try. Okay. I did another one. I tried more like a regular leaf. Okay, now I'm going to do some doodles right across. So the doodles what I did were this optical illusion, this thing that looks like an artichoke inside. So the things I done were this optical illusion looking thing, which was this artichoke looking thing, a boot / sled shoe, a mug of hot cocoa, and a person with earmuffs, and another leaf. This turned out pretty cool, and I know you can do this at home. If you can believe yourself, you can do anything. Arjun out, peace. Oh yeah, and if you like this video, make sure to like and sub.